How many of you are just are just tired of launching crystal reports on newer machines where you've got high resolution monitors? And as you can see on my monitor, it is just hard to see this. And I just had a birthday, and it's getting tough to see these screens. So I want to quickly show you how to resolve these small characters when you're designing a crystal report. As you can see, if I hit new for design a new report, there is absolutely no way I can get into the design menu and be pulling off these toolbars and such. All right. So to resolve that, I'm going to close that down. I'm going to pop over and find crystal on my start menu, or I could find it on my Windows search. I'm going to right click and go to more and go to open file location, and then right click on crystal on the executable and go down to properties. So find crystal reports, go to file location, right click, go to properties, and within properties then go to the compatibility tab. Now on my particular monitor, on this high resolution monitor, this is a Lenovo machine, but it's all going to be the same, 99%. You'll go down and you'll find the change high DPI settings button. And then on this particular one, if I click under high DPI scaling, if I click on override the behavior and I move it from application to system, I hit OK and I hit apply, and then I'll just close out of all of that. You're going to love this. I'll go back. I will relaunch Crystal. And I think you're already seeing a difference now. And then if I just love this. And then if I tell it to relaunch a new crystal design, you can see I can actually see my toolbars. If I say, maybe database, log on or off server, I can see references now that before were just too small to see. So I hope this is helpful for you. If you need any other help with your Sage 300 CRE systems, with crystal reports, anything at all, give us a holler, please. We're at 877-213-3860, 877-213-3860. We've got longtime expert Sage Timberline consultants. Happy to help in any way we can. Thank you. Bye-bye.